Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. Pepe is a little bit boring right now, but that still doesn't mean that Pepe is in a bad position to not continue to go to the upside. I still believe that Pepe is already in the mode of getting even more higher and higher. So hopefully somewhere down the road we're going to see that technical target coming in 17,246. This is really strong target, and I have let's say a strong confidence that we are literally trying to climb up to that technical target, and once this technical target is met, it's going to be fun. It's going to be pretty amazing as well. So I think there's one suspense, and the party is being left for June. So we have a green candle, and we have 5 days to close the green candle. So it does look to me as if we close green like this, which is highly expected that the monthly is going to close green like that. So this is really a good candle to close up. What I mean to say is, the candle that you're looking at right now means that the buyers are in control, because this is a bullish candle, and it means that people are buying. There's no selling pressure, or maybe let's just say big institutional traders are more interested to get into Pepe. So the last time you did one green candle, I mean, look at this red and look at this red, okay? And then look at the green followed, look at the green followed as well. So similar situation, and once you had the green candle closing, you saw another green candle closing. So we might see repetition of these two right over here for June as well. So June is going to be wild. I'm pretty sure about it. June is going to be wild, and the signals are still opened up for you to join. So we have like 5 more days to close it, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.